many factors to consider when choosing the perfect home. Sometimes it's location, maybe the size, or the layout. But what if there was a certain type of property that's got it all? The perfect location, a place where you can truly relax with all the privacy you need. A place that has everything to entertain and have fun while living in a strong community. A place with an interior that was perfectly crafted to your needs. That place is Smith Mountain Lake. That home is right here, and the company that made it all happen is F&S Building Innovations. It's all coming together right now on Make It Home. Thanks so much for having me out.
Thanks for coming.
Wow, this house is beautiful.
Isn't it?
Now, I understand when you started, it didn't quite look like this. It was a little 80s fabulous.
It did. It looked a little different when we got started. This home had great bones, but it was 80s fabulous. There was teal in the kitchen. There were soffits and columns that just didn't work anymore, so we got rid of those.
And how do you go about starting a renovation like this?
I think the biggest thing is just to get to know the client, understand what they like, what their non-negotiables are, and what their end goal is, and then we can work toward that to give them the project of their dreams.
Well, you had a great property to work with. Tell me about this property.
This is a beautiful lakefront property. It has 5 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, a gorgeous kitchen, a game room, a media room. This property has it all.
Wow, this kitchen is beautiful. When it comes to starting a home renovation, what are some of the most important things that people need to consider?
Well, there are a couple things. One of those is your budget. You want to make sure you have a realistic idea of what your budget needs to be. Another big thing is finding the right contractor. There are a lot of folks out there that profess to be contractors, but you want to have Class A general contractor, licensed, insured, make sure they've got a great safety program in place, because not only for you as the homeowner, but the workers that are on site, you just want to make sure all those lines are checked off.
Well, as amazing as this kitchen looks, I can see a beautiful deck outside. We need to go out there and check it out. It's amazing. So we've been talking a lot about home renovations, but I understand that F&S does a lot more than just home renovations, right?
We do. We're the area's local sunroom. We brought sunrooms to the area over 30 years ago. We're the local Trex Platinum Pro. If you need a deck, whether it's wood or Trex, we can help with that. Just your sunroom, your kitchen, if you just need exterior siding or a roof put on. If you need a toilet changed, we can do that too, A to Z.
And how did F&S get started?
F&S was started over 4 decades ago by my father. Actually, he built custom homes on the lake, word of mouth referral. Then we added the commercial division, we added sunrooms, and we've just grown ever since then. We've now got over 65 employees.
Wow, and speaking of the commercial division and being a Class A contractor, how do those two things kind of help when it comes to remodels?
We've got such a wide array of experience in both residential and commercial. With so many people on our team, we've got hundreds of years backing anything. So anything that comes up during a project, we've got somebody on our team who knows the answer.
That's awesome. Now, you grew up on the lake. What do you love about it?
Everything. The sun, the water, there's nothing to not like at Smith Mountain Lake.
Wow, this is another beautiful space in this home. What all did F&S Building Innovations do here?
We basically gutted the home. We left the exterior walls, we knocked down some interior walls, we built some new walls. The whole kitchen got updated, all 6 bathrooms got all new flooring, new countertops, new lighting fixtures, basically just turned it upside down.
Well, we really are about making it home here, so how do you take a house and really make it someone's home?
The main thing is just to dial in on how they want to live in it, make it comfortable, understand what they want, and then delivering for them.
Well, I don't know about you, but I'm going down to the docks to catch some sun rays.
I'm going with you.
Until next time, make it home.